Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your dedicated channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the global commodities market. I'm Ria, and today we are diving deep into the recent slowdown observed in the Indonesian palm oil sector for September 2025. This latest data suggests a sharp transition out of the seasonal production peak. The collective industry data from BPS, GAPKI, and other sector associations reveals a marked month-on-month cooling across the board, with production, exports, and domestic consumption all pulling back from the elevated levels seen in August. Most notably, the total palm oil production, which combines crude palm oil and palm kernel oil, experienced a significant drop, declining by a substantial 22.5% in September. This brought the monthly output down to 4.298 million tons, a steep fall from the 5.542 million tons recorded in August. Crude palm oil output mirrored this trend, dropping to 3.932 million tons. This sharp reduction unequivocally signals the end of the seasonal peak that the industry typically experiences. The slowdown wasn't confined to production alone. Domestic demand also moderated modestly. Total consumption eased to 2.053 million tons in September from 2.1 million tons a month earlier. We saw softening in key demand areas, including the food sector, and a reduction in biodiesel consumption, which retreated to 1.070 million tons compared with 1.111 million tons in August. However, the most dramatic contraction was seen in the export figures. Shipments registered the sharpest pullback, plunging by an enormous 36.7% month-on-month. Total exports for September plummeted to just 2.2 million tons from 3.473 million tons in August. This severe drop was driven by a sharp decline in shipments of processed palm oil and a significant fall in biodiesel exports. With the pace of global and domestic offtake slowing down, ending stocks consequently crept up. Inventories gently edged higher to 2.592 million tons in September, compared to 2.543 million tons in the preceding month of August. Despite the pronounced monthly decline, it is crucial to maintain perspective. When looking at the cumulative performance from January through September 2025, the sector remains remarkably strong. Cumulative output for the 9-month period stands robustly at 43.335 million tons, marking an 11.3% increase over the 38.937 million tons produced during the same period in 2024. Furthermore, 9-month exports are also ahead of last year's pace, reaching 24.896 million tons. In terms of market value, export earnings for September totaled $2.528 billion, which contributes to a substantial 9-month receipt of $27.313 billion. In summary, the September data underscores a significant month-on-month cooling as the Indonesian palm oil industry transitions out of its high-yield production period. While this contraction in output and exports is dramatic, the year-to-date performance clearly indicates that the sector is still operating at a significantly higher level than the previous year. This suggests that the current slowdown is primarily a seasonal adjustment that should be closely monitored for its near-term impact on global edible oil prices. Thank you for tuning into Ajayasthomani Guru for this advanced analysis. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe for more
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ, सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।